In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact group in Microsoft Outlook. This can be particularly useful when you want to send emails to multiple people without having to enter each address individually every time. Whether you're coordinating a group project, organizing a team meeting, or managing a list of family and friends, this feature can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's start off by accessing Microsoft Outlook. Open the application or navigate to the web version if you're using Outlook online. Once you're in Outlook, look towards the bottom left of your screen. Here, you will find a series of icons. You want to select the one labeled People. This icon, along with the calendar icon, is part of Outlook's navigation bar and serves as your gateway to managing all contact-related features. After clicking on People, your view will shift, presenting you with a new set of options. One of these options will be a command button labeled New Contact Group. This is your starting point for creating a new group. By selecting this option, you're signaling to Outlook that you're ready to define a new set of contacts who will comprise your group. Next, you'll see an option that reads Add Members. At this stage, Outlook will offer you several choices regarding where you can draft your new group's members from. These include your Outlook contacts, email contacts, and address book. If you have all your desired contacts already entered in Outlook, simply add them using these options. Additionally, a hint for seamless communication. Ensure that all the email addresses you want to include in the group are up to date before adding them. This reduces the chances of any communication hiccups later on. Now that you've selected Add Members, explore the options available. If most of your contacts are already stored in Outlook, choose that option. Alternatively, if you're drawing contacts from your saved emails or a separate address book, choose those routes. The process is straightforward and intuitive. Just click on the contacts you wish to include. Remember, during this stage, care is paramount. You want to make sure you're selecting the right contacts to avoid future miscommunication. Once you've selected all the desired members, your contact group is essentially ready. Keep in mind the importance of naming your group wisely. Choose a name that reflects the purpose of the group or the nature of the members, ensuring that if you need to find it later, you can do so with ease. Naming is more than a label. It's a means of organizing your virtual communication. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully created a contact group in Microsoft Outlook. With these groups, managing your communication becomes more streamlined and efficient, allowing you more time to focus on the core of your activities instead of navigating through lengthy lists of email addresses. I hope this guide was helpful, and thank you for joining me today. Happy emailing!